How to fix LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga stuck on loading screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the LEGO Star Wars. So tap on the search bar and search for LEGO Star Wars. As you do that, make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device, and after checking on the updates, now you can just go back to the home screen and make a long press on the LEGO Star Wars game. Then tap on App Info, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data option at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So tap on it and you can delete all data. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you toggle on the required options over here. And as you do that, you can just go back and relaunch the application on your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.